Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. We are going to focus our efforts today on BFS fishing. It's something I've come to enjoy and love, throwing stuff on the micro bait caster and stuff. That's just super fun. So that's what we're going to focus on today. We're almost to our first spot. We're going to hit we're bank fishing today. We're not out of kayak or anything like that. So we're on foot, and hopefully we won't step on those snakes. I ain't necessarily scared of the nope ropes, but I don't want to get bit by one. But we're almost to the first spot. I can see it from where I'm at right now on this dirt road. So as soon as we get pulled up, we'll get started and get rolling. Alright, I apologize in advance for the road noise because we were right by the highway. But let's start right here. Oh, yeah. It's kind of chilly for a mid-May morning. It's in the 60s, especially down here in the south. Walk down to this side. Oh, ant bed, ant bed. May have to go put a white grub. Ooh. What happened here? Well, that ain't good. That's a mess right there, boys. I don't know what happened there. I mean, I couldn't even come close to telling you what happened. Well, this just went from a BFS video to a bass fishing video. Is the reason why I bought a big rod. I don't know what happened. Just a complete, utter disaster. It's just going to be noisy while we're right here because we're literally standing on the side of the highway. Viewer discretion is advised. Children, do not try this at home. Mm-hmm.
Oh, I hope y'all seen that. That rig was swimming with Dwayne. Come here. Did you not get a hook in you, bud? In that grass right there. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Fishy, 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 fishy. Come on. I know there's some in here. They just being stingy on biting, boy. They ain't hungry or something. I think that little brim was what that was. Bit me inside that grass right there a second ago. I know there's bass in here. I've seen them. Caught them. Oh yeah, there we go. I knew there was one in there. There we go. First fish of the day. About friggin' time. A little bitty dinkosaurus. I was trying to check to see if my battery had died yet. I don't even know if it's dead or not. We dead? We ain't dead. We got fish. Look at that right there. What? Old munchkin fish. That's alright. You bit though. Go ahead, buddy. Go ahead, son. Old Junebug trick worm out there in that grass. Got him. When in doubt, throw your confidence bait. Throwing something different this morning. You need to get a bite, throw your confidence bait. I don't care what it is. If you're fishing in a place like this and your confidence bait is a 10-inch glide bait, throw it. Because you're not going to get bit on much else until you get bit on your confidence bait. That's just my opinion. Well, we're back on. It's not an eventful day. One fish. That was it. One little squeaker. You'll see it. If you hadn't already. You've already seen it. This is closing. It was just a tough morning. I don't know what it was. We've been having some consistently warm mornings. It's been warm. And then the last couple mornings, it's been really cool for the time of year. So I don't know. I'm assuming that's got something to do with it or everything to do with it. So that's what I'm going to chalk it up to. But we did get one. So the video is not a complete zero. So I'm happy about that. But we got to figure something out. Next time, we're definitely going back out in the kayak. Probably going back out to that golf course lake. There's a whole other half of the lake that we didn't even fish when we were out there the last video. So got a whole, I don't know, 50 acres that we hadn't fished yet of that place. So we're going to try that out next time. But yeah, I appreciate each and every one of you for tuning in. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. It helps me out tremendously, and I really appreciate it. See y'all next time. Peace.